Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Mira from K-Pop Demon Hunters. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mira from K-Pop Demon Hunters, let's begin with the eyes. So let's start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up like this. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to kind of come down at an angle. Then we're just going to bring this line right to here and connect. Now for the eye, we're going to just draw a little curved line here and a little curved line here. Next, we're going to make this line a little bit darker up here and kind of shape it out a little bit for the eyelash. Then we're just going to put a couple more little lines up here. Next, we'll put a small circle here. And then we're just going to kind of color in a circle around it for the pupil. Next, right here, we'll make a little line here. We'll leave a little space and we'll bring a line up here for the eyelid. Next, over here, let's draw the other eye. So we're going to leave some space, and let's begin by making a line that's just going to come down like this. Then we're just going to bring a line here. Then we're just going to bring this line to here. Next, we'll just draw a line that's going to curve down, and then a little curve up here. We'll make that small little circle here. And then let's go ahead and draw another circle shape in here for the pupil. And we can just go ahead and color this part in. Let's kind of make that long, kind of like darker line above here for the eyelashes. And then we can kind of add a few more right on top. Then let's bring this line down, leave a little space, and then bring it to here, just to shape out the eyelid. Now let's work on the nose. So starting up here, like a little bit above the eye, we're going to bring a line that's just going to kind of come down and then kind of curves in. Then we're going to make a little curved line here. Then we're just going to make like a little hook shape. Next, right here, we're just going to kind of bring this line up. And then we'll put a little curve here. Then right here, we're going to make a little line that comes up, leave a little space, and then make another line. Now, let's draw the mouth. So starting right here, let's begin by making a little line that's just going to kind of come up and then down like this. Then we're just going to make another little line that's just going to kind of come across. Right here, we're going to bring this line up and down. Then we'll kind of come up and down and then bring it down to here. Then right here, we're going to bring this line around and then across to here. Now let's kind of shape out the head. So starting right here, let's kind of bring this line up and then out to here. Then we're going to bring this line kind of out and we're going to come down to here. Next, let's bring this line over and then up a little bit for the jaw. Now let's work on the eyebrows. So starting right here above the eye, let's bring a line that's going to come over. We're going to bring this back around and then up to here. Now for the other eye, we're going to start higher up and we're going to bring this kind of up and then down. Then let's kind of do that same thing, bring it up and then kind of come down here to a point. So it kind of looks like one eyebrow is raised. Next, let's kind of bring this line up. We're going to come around and let's draw a nice long line that's just going to kind of come down to here. Next, let's just kind of bring this jawline up. And then we're going to put a little line right here. Next, starting here, let's make a little curve that's just going to kind of run right into here. Then let's make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And we're going to bring this down. We're going to make it kind of come to a point. Now for the ear, we're going to start right up here. And we're just going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring this down and then into here. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come down for the earring. Let's go in and kind of make a bump and then bring this around and then down for some detail in the ear. And we'll make a little line right there too. Next, over here, let's make the hair on the other side. So I'm going to start kind of right here and I'm just going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it down to here. Then let's just kind of make it come to a point and then bring it up here. Now, starting here for her neck, let's kind of bring this line down. And then starting here, we're just going to kind of bring this line down to here. Then we're just going to kind of curve this over for her shoulder and then bring it down. Next, let's kind of continue on the hair. So starting right here, let's just kind of bring this line over and we're going to bring this down here towards the ear. Then we're going to make another line over here. We'll make one and then two little bumps right here. And we're going to bring this line up and then kind of down to here. And we'll do that same thing, bring this line up, lots of broken lines. We're going to make a couple more little long lines here. And then we're just going to make a few kind of broken lines, just kind of show their hair is all over here. Then we can kind of put some little broken lines kind of coming right across here just to kind of show that her hair is going back. And we can even make some kind of long lines coming down on each side. Then we're just going to bring this line down for her hair on the other side. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to kind of come up and down for that other shoulder. Now for her necklace, let's make an oval shape right here. Then let's make another oval shape around it. Then let's go ahead and put a point on the top, the bottom, and then on each side. Then we'll draw a line to here and to here. And then we'll make another line that's just going to go here to here and here to here. Next, we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to bring it up to here. And we'll make two lines coming down. Next, right here, we're going to finish off that earring. Let's just draw a line that's going to go down and up. Then we're going to make kind of like a long pointed line that goes down and up with a line across. And there you go, there is your drawing of Mira from KPop Demon Hunters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.